some gadgets don't just push limits, they shatter them. And the ones you're about to see feel so powerful they could rewrite the rules of everyday life. Hidden inside sleek designs are abilities that sound like science fiction, yet they're real, available, and a little dangerous in the best way. These are the machines that make you wonder who decided ordinary was enough. By the end, you'll understand why these new gadgets are so insane they should literally be banned.
Number 1. Imagine having a personal assistant so fast, so intuitive, it feels like it reads your mind. Meet Barry, the lightest AI second brain, designed to capture your ideas the moment inspiration strikes. In just 1 second, your thoughts, sketches, or notes are stored, organized, and ready for action. No fumbling, no lost ideas, Barry transforms fleeting creativity into a permanent intelligent archive. Its sleek, feather-light design lets you carry it anywhere, blending seamlessly with your daily flow, while its AI anticipates your needs, helping you connect ideas and spark innovation like never before. This isn't just a gadget, it's a glimpse into a future where your imagination works at the speed of thought, and every idea has the chance to thrive instantly. Number 2. Imagine having ultimate control over cold and heat right in your hands. The APWCHE, your personal ice and temp master, isn't just another gadget, it's a portable command center for temperature that feels like something from the future. As soon as you power it up, it reads the environment, responds instantly, and gives you feedback that's clear, smart, and surprisingly intuitive. This device isn't about guessing or waiting. It adapts to your needs, whether you're cooling drinks on a sunny afternoon, managing food temperature on a long road trip, or fine-tuning comfort in a tricky outdoor setting. One moment, it brings a refreshing chill. The next, it keeps heat exactly where you want it. There's a confidence to the way it works, like it understands your plan before you even finish thinking it. Using the APWCHE feels effortless and satisfying. Its sleek design fits neatly in your hand, and interacting with it feels less like pushing buttons and more like having a conversation with an intelligent tool. Every adjustment feels intentional, every result feels precise, and every moment feels just a little more comfortable. This isn't just temperature control, it's temperature mastery, personalized for your everyday life. With the APWCHE at your side, the future of comfort isn't coming tomorrow, it's already here. Number 3. Step into the future of precision craftsmanship with the D01 visual soldering iron. This isn't just a tool, it's a revolutionary way to see, control, and perfect every connection with unmatched clarity. From the moment you pick it up, the D01 feels intuitive, blending cutting-edge technology with a design that's sleek, lightweight, and built for creators who demand perfection. Imagine watching your solder flow in real time on its integrated visual display, giving you instant feedback and total control over every joint. Tiny components, complex circuits, nothing feels intimidating anymore. It responds instantly, guiding your hand with precision that feels almost effortless. The D01 transforms soldering from a task into an experience. Its futuristic interface, rapid heating, and stable performance let you focus on creativity, not complications. Every motion feels intentional, every result flawless. With this in your hands, the future of electronics assembly isn't coming, it's already here, and it's dazzlingly clear. Number 4. Step into the future of everyday carry with the LOOPDOT, the world's first pixel display EDC flashlight. This isn't just illumination, it's a canvas, a message board, and a statement, all packed into a sleek, portable design. From the moment you hold it, LOOPDOT feels engineered for precision, innovation, and style. Imagine controlling light patterns, custom animations, or alerts right from your fingertips. Each pixel responds instantly, creating visuals that are both functional and mesmerizing. Whether signaling in low light, customizing your workspace, or simply showing off, LOOPDOT turns a simple flashlight into an interactive experience. It's lightweight, intuitive, and built to adapt seamlessly to your daily life. Every glow, every animation feels deliberate, futuristic, and remarkably vibrant. With LOOPDOT in your hand, the future isn't somewhere you go, it's right here, in the palm of your hand, shining brighter than ever. Number 5. Step into the next frontier of personal manufacturing with the FibreSeeker 3, the world's first consumer-grade continuous fiber 3D printer. This isn't just 3D printing, it's a revolution, bringing industrial-strength innovations straight to your workspace. From the very first layer, FibreSeeker 3 feels like holding the future in your hands. Imagine crafting components that are stronger, lighter, and more precise than anything conventional printers can achieve. Its continuous fiber technology weaves resilience directly into every print, transforming your ideas into real-world objects with unmatched durability and finesse. Every curve, every structure, every design emerges not just as a model, but as a high-performance creation ready for the modern world. Simplicity meets power in its intuitive interface, letting you focus on creation rather than complexity. Whether you're prototyping, designing, or experimenting, FibreSeeker 3 adapts seamlessly, giving your imagination the freedom to stretch further than ever before. This isn't more than a printer, it's a glimpse into a world where innovation is tangible and the future is yours to build. Number 6. Step into a world where technology becomes an extension of your senses with the Looktech, the most capable AI spyglasses ever made. These aren't just smart glasses, they're a gateway to seeing, analyzing, and interacting with the world in ways you'd never imagined. From the sleek frame to the invisible AI engine inside, every detail is engineered to make intelligence seamless, effortless, and ultra-responsive. Imagine capturing moments, scanning environments, and accessing real-time insights with nothing but a glance. The AI adapts to your needs instantly, translating information, highlighting key details, and keeping you one step ahead at all times. Whether it's recording, analyzing, or enhancing your awareness, Looktech blends discretion with power, delivering a truly futuristic experience. Lightweight, intuitive, and astonishingly precise, these glasses feel like they were made for a future that's already here. Every interaction is smooth, every feature designed to make you feel unstoppable. With Looktech, the line between reality and intelligence blurs, and the world becomes yours to observe, understand, and master like never before. Number 7. Imagine holding the invisible world in the palm of your hand. The Seek Nano series turns your smartphone into a high-powered thermal camera, revealing heat, energy, and patterns invisible to the naked eye. Sleek, compact, and instantly ready, it transforms everyday observation into an extraordinary experience. Scan walls, electronics, or even the night sky, and watch as temperature differences come alive in vibrant detail. The AI-powered imaging ensures precision, highlighting what matters most and making complex thermal data instantly understandable. Whether it's spotting hidden heat leaks, checking appliances, or capturing unseen details in your environment, Seek Nano series makes every glance smarter, sharper, and more intuitive. Lightweight, portable, and astonishingly powerful, it's a glimpse of the future, now in your pocket.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech and gadget updates.